Learning with GBA Episode 2, Branded Customer Experience, Staging an Extraordinary Branded Experience. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗚𝗹𝙁 and I'm the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. Now, I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. Today, I'm going to share with you a snippet from one of our courses, the Branded Customer Experience, Staging an Extraordinary Brand, based on a best-selling book that I wrote with the same title. Now, oftentimes, people forget the value of customer experience, thinking about it as, it will pass, publicity, good or bad, is publicity. But what they don't realize, that it is easier to stage an exceptional customer experience rather than manage the aftermath of a bad experience. Case to points is United Airlines' controversial customer experience scandal in 2017. Now here you have a passenger, Dr. 𝗠, who gets dragged off the plane after he refuses to give up the seat. Now think about this. Someone comes in and says, you, get off the plane. And Dr. 𝗠 says, look, I'm not going to go, because he had to was going to meet a patient. But guess what? United goes, grabs Dr. 𝗠 and pulls him off the plane, dragging him bloodied and beaten. Now, this was crazy. Now, initially the upper management first defended that action, but eventually they paid the price because there was a massive uproar from customers and from around the world, right? People were looking at this and saying, what is going on? You are supposed to be in the service industry. This has to be a great customer experience. But what you have done? You've abused the passenger. Now, the incident summarizes customer experience and its importance. I felt it was a complete waste of time to go through the process of trying to defend a bad incident instead of spending efforts on looking at creating a great experience for your customers. While good and bad reputation are both reputation, in effect, a bad reputation costs a lot more to a man if you have backlash, and it's harder to win back customers. 73% of customers with above average customer experience perform better financially than their competitors. Whenever you fail to deliver a good customer experience or service, even if it's something small, such as serving your food on time or thanking your customers, these things stick. They stick and they're part of their considerations, and next time they need your service and your experience. All this could be prevented by looking at how we can create a world-class branded customer experience. There are many brands that are doing it well. Starbucks, for example, are doing a great job. Now, I've traveled across the globe and I get the same experience in most Starbucks stores. And they have striving to always consistently deliver a great experience all the time. Now, if you want to know more about creating the best customer experience and how to design the most effective branded customer experience across key touch points, this workshop is for you. In this program, I'm going to cover the basics and beyond. What is customer experience? How does it affect your organization and customers? I'm going to teach you on how to effectively conduct your own customer and market research to identify touch points, feedback, and how you can use that to improve your customer process. I'm going to talk to you about how you can create your culture that is driven by your service DNA, where you and your organization can use this to drive a service culture in your organization. At the end of this workshop, you will be able to understand what is customer experience and use it as the guide in identifying elements in your own customer experience, management, and culture. At the end of the program, you will also learn to design your customer experience that is distinctively yours and is driven by your brand. You will also get powerful frameworks and templates that I will share from the course, as well as best practice case studies from great branded customer experience that we have executed and we have observed over the years. Our programs are designed to help you build your own powerful and winning customer experience that will bring your customer loyalty up, create raving fans, and even empower your employees to deliver a powerful customer experience and service. We work with clients from all around the world, including Prudential Singapore and Sentosa, the beautiful resort island in Singapore, and many, many more. We run the program in the form of keynotes, workshops, boot camps, virtual or in person. For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. 𝗲𝗎𝗋𝗆 and this is Learning with GBA.